How to make character AI group chat. So first of all, you have to access the character AI mobile app on your device. As you can see here, if you're using the web version, you may need to revert to an older version that support group chats. Now tap on this plus icon here, icon to invite the creation of new chat. Now select create a group chat from this option presented. So here you can see here group chat. Right now, once you created, set up a room. So input a name of your group chat name here. So I'll just go and click on this pencil icon here, and here I will just write chat room 1, right, and click on save it. Now once I input the name here, add character by either selecting from list or typing and spelling character names. You need at least one character to create the room, but two or more are required for interacting among characters. So let me just select here the first and second, and you can search for more characters here. Right now click on create a grouped chat. Now it has been created. You can invite your friends and you can do anything here. For example, I'll just write here hello, right, and usually these two characters should reply just like how it's done in a group chat. So this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video.